I am the first person in Jamaica to make star apple juice. First, you go skin it out and make it drop boof in the shine pan. And make sure you take out the seed. Oh, happy girl in there, this is what it looks like when you take out the seed. And then you put it in the blender and you blend it. Blend it up, mix up. Time to strain like when a maga man pick up a fatty. Cause it thick, so you have to beat it up, Now that it's thin, you add some water, make it thinner so it can flow. Add some diabetes so it can sweeten any goat and running belly. It was a little too thin, so I add some liquid lime and ginger. Disclaimer, I'm not a bartender, gynecologist, mixologist, whatever just. Probably not the first one to do this, but at least now you know who didn't watch the full video. But it actually tastes good, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't expect that. Brebo said his prayer before tasting it. Him don't trust me at all, but he actually liked it, he said. You did the right thing, boy. Comment first time if you never saw this before. And it was a 5 out of 10 for me. It was okay.